Today I am highlighting a rear bumper diffuser from EVBase. It's part of an entire body kit. They have front lip, side skirts, the rear bumper diffuser thing, which is what we're covering again today. That's what we're highlighting. Putting this on my friend's Model Y Juniper. First took a look at these pieces and I was like, well, okay, yeah, they look pretty cool, sure. Got them on a car and I was like, yeah, these things look honestly like way better. I've got tons of videos on his Juniper. This Juniper is so decked out, looks really cool. Previous videos were on front grille, front lip, and the side skirts, so check that one out. So check out all those videos. Always be sure to prep anything that you're taping with isopropyl alcohol and the adhesion promoters. They show an adhesion promoter that looks like nail polish or something. I've never been sent that. It's always been these packets of the little like wet wipe adhesion promoters. So be sure to use them and be sure to clean the new bumper and put the tape on that. And the old surface, you know, your old bumper that this is going on top of, use the primer there too. While this can be put on with one person, which I did after, but it was after we kind of put it on a couple times, like dry fitting it with two people. After a couple times, and I was able to just kind of put it on. But definitely do a dry fit once, twice, just to make sure that you know how to get this thing on and just how to maneuver it, how to like stretch it in certain places and pull it out and everything else. Because once you kind of get it on there with the tape and all the adhesion promoter ready, it wants to really stick and you'll have to like pull it up. Anyway, do the dry fits, okay? Do the dry fits, and it's gonna be better if you use two people. But the install overall, the install is just, it's really easy. As usual, all the discount links are below. Be sure to use my discount code TeslaMark. It will always save you the most amount of money and works in all the best places. Yeah, and please like and subscribe. And honestly, I can't believe these body kits are this inexpensive for the price and for the ease of installation and for the effect that it gives your car. It's really hard to say no to these things. I mean, once you see them on the card, you'll see the Juniper. You've probably already seen a little clip of it. It's like, it just changes the entire car. You could just do the front, you could just do side skirt. You know, you don't have to do the whole thing, but man, it's not that much more money to do the whole thing. I mean, honestly, it's kind of shocking compared to what things used to be. Coming soon, all kinds of different LEDs. That light bar that you've seen maybe in the front of the Juniper, you know, that one between the headlights. They've got some RGBs. I've got two options that I'm going to be making videos on. We just installed one yesterday. I hope to get the other one soon, and we're going to be playing around with those. So far, pretty dang cool. All right, it's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun, and it really makes the Juniper unique. And that's what I like the most, is making your Tesla unique. All right, so check this diffuser out. This is the first time I am seeing this in real life, and it's pretty cool. This thing looks good. This is gonna add a lot of action to the back for sure. It comes with these two extra pieces here, two additional pieces on the back. Came wrapped up. Everything came wrapped up like this, double wrapped. Okay, we need to put these U-clips on here.
Use the adhesion promoter inside the center groove.
and prepped. Now, I gotta burn more. You have the...
No, not lined up.
Anything not lined up? Oop.
I gotta stretch it around. There we go.
You got it?
Yep. Ready?
Okay, so now...
I'm dead on. Are you strapped around?
Yep.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna push this up.
Okay, I'm even.
That looks good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start pressing this in. Start pressing it in and just kind of holding it for 30 seconds.
That's gonna stay on with the license plate.
Right, and the license plate will keep it on too. Because that's the thing now too, is it's cold. Like, you're gonna go out and it's not gonna want to stick as soon as it gets cold. It's such a bummer around this time of the year. I'm not used to, I think I told you before, I'm not used to taping anything on the cars like in winter. And always before it was just with spoilers and stuff. Okay. Alright, this screw here, what I'm going to do, I've already backed it out a little bit. I'm going to actually take this and screw this all the way into this panel too, just because why not? Just another point of fastening onto the car. Yeah, okay, that's cool. All right, we're going to use this bigger fastener that they gave us. It's not going to go in, but...